Hey guys, we're going to review numbers 6 through 9 today. Make a C and then an O. Now you've made a 6, you know. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way you make a 7. Make an S and then don't wait. Go back up and make an 8. Make a circle and then a line. That's the way you make a 9. Let's look right here. 6. We have 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. Let's look at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots in the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots, and then 7 fingers. Let's look at number 8. 8 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in a tens frame. Last 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. All right, guys.